Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home. I picked up 3 different styles from my local beauty supply, and I did a poll on my Instagram and all y'all chose this middle style, but because it's not Kiss, I went with this style so that it is true to the title. And this size is medium. So all you're going to need are your nails. You're going to need a nail buffer, a nail filer, and nail glue, and that's literally all you're going to need for these nails to last you 2 weeks. So inside you're going to get the nails. You're also going to get these sticky adhesives if you don't want to glue the nails on, but you also get glue. And instead of using this weak glue it comes with, we're going to be using the Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue, and then it also comes with extra nail sizes underneath. So step 1, you're going to find your nail size. This part isn't too hard, but if it's your first time, I urge you to make sure the nail covers your nail bed completely. You do not want your nail sitting like this with an opening. You want it to cover your nail completely, and each nail actually comes with a number underneath it, so in the future, once you know your nail size number, you could just literally grab and go. Once you've found your sizes, next you're going to want to buff your nails. Buffing your nails is going to take away the natural oils on your nail beds, which is going to help the glue stick much longer. So essentially, if you don't want the nails lasting as long, skip this buffing part and eventually it'll start rising. Step 3, you're going to want to file your nails. I like to do this step so that there aren't any sharp corners or ridges, so that once I put the nail on top, none of my natural nail is sticking out. Step 4 is optional. I'm lazy, so I use the nail to actually push my cuticles back a bit. Don't judge me. Lastly, you're gonna glue the nails on. And you guys can either follow my technique or create your own, whatever works for you. So what I do is place glue on the nail, and then I'm going to cover my actual nail with glue. And because it's easier for me to pick the nail up like this, I'm going to place my nail onto the other nail, but quickly flipping my hand over so that I have enough time to adjust the nail properly. Now, don't be stupid like me and wipe the glue with your fingers. Please use tissue. This is very stupid, careless, and dumb. But there you have it. We're just going to continue with this technique. Most of the time, these nails come with ridges on the top of it, so what I like to do is take a nail filer and slightly glide it across the top of the nails just to make sure everything has a smooth finish. Here's an example of what being careless with the glue will do. I have glue all over my hands that will eventually come off within the day, but it takes some picking and whatnot. Here is the finished product. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.